Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to week number 3, where we're going to focus on the rooms division in hotels. And so at the completion of this week's information, the goals are to identify different duties and responsibilities of departments within the rooms division, able to calculate occupancy percentages, average daily rates, and revenue per available room, and then discuss complexities and challenges of each department within the rooms division. So within the rooms division, and this is going to be kind of an example of an organizational chart, and definitely there are a lot of different factors that are going to go into what the right model is for the hotel. It could be the size of the hotel, it could be the level of services provided, it could be the location of the hotel, and really what the customers are looking for. But in this example, there would be a director of room operations, and then they would oversee kind of 3 distinct disciplines or departments: security or loss prevention, starting from the right and going to the left, the housekeeping department, and then the front office. And so with the front office, that's going to extend to a couple of different kind of subgroups: the front desk, which is the traditional check-in and check-out, guest services, which would be considered maybe like a bell services, maybe door services, the PBX department, or those individuals that answer the phones and transfer the calls. It could include the business center. It could include the concierge, which would be the department in charge of arranging itineraries, getting tickets for getting dinner reservations, booking transportation, booking shows, things like that. And in some cases, a reservations department. Again, like I said, not every hotel is set up in a similar fashion. Some may not have some of these things at all, and it may just be the front desk that does all of these things. Moving over into the housekeeping division, you could have an executive housekeeper or director of housekeeping, assistant executive housekeeper or assistant director of housekeeping. It could also include laundry. Some properties ship out their laundry to a laundry facility to be able to clean. Some have laundry on site. And it could also include contract cleaning, where maybe the hotel outsources or hires a company that cleans some of the areas in the overnight, as an example. Or maybe you contract out the carpet cleaning. You don't want to buy the machinery and invest in that, and it might be a more economical choice to be able to hire a professional carpet cleaning company that comes and provides the routine maintenance that you require. So those are the different areas within the rooms division that we'll dive into a little bit deeper this week, and I hope you enjoy this week's content. Thanks so much.